Well, boys, got it all. Me and Leapers. Leapers! Me and Leapers are over here. Got a little bit of a problem. You see that? You see that right there? That's not supposed to be that way. That's the way it's supposed to be. So, we're over here tearing shit apart, trying to figure out what the hell we're doing. I got my, I unhooked my trailer so that I could get this all done. It looks like Leapers watered the bushes, so they're going to be healthy. The ones in the cracks in the cement are going to be healthy anyway. The rest of them probably going to die. But anyway, we're over here trying to get it done, trying to get everything going on. I'm in Salt Lake City. I got last place I was at was in Jamestown, and then I came over to Hiram past Bear Lake, Hiram, Utah. Now I'm in Salt Lake working on stuff. Well, I'm not working on stuff, Leapers is, but I stand here, look all smart and helpful and shit.